So today we are en route to Chamonix. We've just decided to stop here with that view. And we've just had some lunch.
Hello.
But look at that, that is breathtaking. I love everywhere around here, but I think we should carry on now. Right, we've made it to Chamonix and we're hoping to get the cable car up to the Aiguille du MIDI today. And we have to move campsite tomorrow in the morning. Well, we don't have to, but we only booked them for 4 nights.
I don't know why she wanted to come here.
And because it's beautiful, and tonight is our 4th night, so tomorrow we have a new destination and we're thinking of coming to camp back here so we can do like everything around the area.
I don't know why she wanted to come here, guys.
Because you when we pulled in here you just said you're so excited. You little monkey.
I'm not a monkey. I'm a little cable car.
Yeah. So the little one's just gone in the toilet, so we've just seen. Look at this old cable car here. And there was another one around here, and I'm not sure if they still use them to get up there. It's on a different line. Just there.
Are you done?
Like, look at how small they are. Can you imagine? And that little thing going all the way up there. The big ones look a lot more safer these days. Are you excited to go up there?
I want to go on the little one.
What, one of them? You want to grab one of them ones?
No, one of them ones over there.
On the other side, if we come back and stay here tomorrow, then we could do that. Here they are, they're out. Do you need the toilet quick?
No.
Right, let's go.
Mum, I did go.
Good girl. Right, so we're here. We just got to walk round to some sort of... Nick, it might be around this side, to be honest.
It might be in there.
You're a bunch of cheeky little monkeys.
We're not a bunch of monkeys.
Might be in here. For a minute. Our cable car's not until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Just look at that. That is spectacular. Look at all the snow still up there. Like, and really that's not that much higher than we are. And look at it all. It reckons my microphone is blocked. There we go. Just in case you didn't hear that, just look us. Oh, I don't know. It keeps my microphone's blocked. Tilly, you getting down off there? Yeah. Right, so yeah, now we are just walking back through the town on the way back to the cable car. We have to have a designated time spot for that, which is 4 o'clock. If you're a family of 4 going up there, it was something like 250-ish euros. So quite a lot of money really, 250 euros to go up. So we have got what they call a Mont Blanc pass. So we can do the Aiguille du MIDI, the Mer de Glace, and run a few trains and things. And that come in as a 2-day pass for 310 euros. So that seemed better. So yeah, we got the 2-day Mont Blanc pass. So we'll see you at the cable car. Here's the children enjoying a cool down. With that spectacular view in the background. I don't even know if you can see on camera. To be fair, the camera doesn't even do this justice. Lucas, careful. Go on. Right, here we go, it's coming back in. We're getting ready to go on it. And we're first on, so we get a good position.
On the back, on the back.
Don't go near the edge. Is she waving?
Chamonix, stay there. Stay there.
So, everyone is piled on here like sardines. Back 15 years ago, the cable cars weren't like this here. They could have cleaned the perspex a bit better. He wants you to swap with a little one. No, he's with my daughter. We got a little one there. Yeah. Is it? Why are you worried?
Because I am. I don't like kites.
Hold on, just hold on.
Be grateful that you're not in the older ones with your granddad who swings them as they're going over the big drops.
No. Hold on. Qu'est-ce que tu filmes là?
It's going to be blue.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Christ, I lose 15 of my 25. Oh, you can't go on the phone.
I see the car from here.
Oh yeah, I see my car from here. I didn't park very well, did I? Oh well. Good boy. Always swinging. Always swinging, Nick. This camera won't do it justice either with its gimbal. Can you feel it, Nick? Do you like it?
I don't know.
Just hold on.
We're
Is Tilly alright?
You okay, Tilly?
Look, another cable.
Yeah.
Zooming down. Maybe we see everything from here. I mean, it's going funny now.
Who's driving it? The lady? This glass isn't the best to record through though.
But we wouldn't tell soon.
C'est normal que t'aies gardé ça, parce que la fille, elle tient avec un fil là. C'est un fil qui est gros comme ça quand même.
I think my ears are a bit funny. Whoa. I hope you don't do that.
Oh yeah, there is a house up there. I don't know if it's a house, but it's a building at least. Oh dear. We're singing again. Guys, you don't even understand this. You alright, Lucas?
Don't look at that.
We gotta go all the way up there, yeah.
I think we're done.
So we've got to get off this onto the next one to go up even more. That was just the first part. Right, so I think we're about halfway up. You can't even see the top from here. Do you remember driving here earlier? You could see the top. You can't see that from here. But yeah, halfway up. So I'm guessing this is our point here. And then we're going to get it going all the way up to the top there.
What?
And some people have just got off with their hiking equipment and camping. I think they're camping up here at this height. And then they're going to walk it down.
You're going to walk down?
I think so.
What?
Huh? We're just going to go up for round 2. But this side, we got the back of the cart. Yeah, the window's open. Say bye.
We're gonna go in there.
Wow, look at the view up here. Oh my god.
Oh, it's gonna be.
It's magnificent.
Why is it magnificent?
Dunno. Look at it though, Luke.
I've never seen this in my life. I've never seen this in my life.
There's more plants over there.
Oh yeah.
Where?
Wow.
Oh yeah, I see it. There, look. My ears are gonna go funny.
Are they? Pardon? No, not up this far.
We're gonna go in the clouds.
Yeah, look. You can't even see the top.
So cloudy.
Nice breeze though.
We feel already high up. Well, nice view, feel cool. We're gonna go in.
We're going into the clouds.
I wonder what's gonna
Oh,
be.
my ears.
My ears.
Say hello to the clouds.
Hello, cloud. I like this.
We are actually up in the clouds. You can't see anything.
My ears are going already funny.
Are they? They pop in like an aeroplane. Beautiful boy, beautiful.
Big John to the cloud.
Yeah.
My ears are going funny. Are we going to heaven? No. So cold out. Look, a blue cloud.
Oh, we're through. Look at that ice.
Wow, look at that. Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Go down. At the bottom we're gonna go.
Let's go round. And look, we're above the clouds.
Bye bye clouds. We miss you. Bye universe. Oh look at that sky. Oh this is going funny. Look up on my ears so they don't go funny. Is it gonna be like cold?
Yeah. But look at all that ice.
Oh, I bet it's gonna be. Look at all the mountains. Who thought it was nice?
We're so much above the clouds that the sky above us is clear.
Bravo!
Wow, Lucas, look at that.
Oh, I've never seen this in my life. Laptop. Oh, we're gonna be at
Lucas, you have seen things like this in your life, but you was too young. There's someone going down the snow there.
We're gonna go down the snow.
Oh, they've just disappeared the other side.
Let's stop. We're stuck. I bet mountain got up here.
Lucas, you wouldn't get mountain goats up this high, darling.
Is this it? And then we're gonna go zooming at the bottom. Oh, what? It's probably freezing at the top.
It's nice and cool, right?
Yeah, that's a cool.
Wow.
Oh, look at it. See the view. Look at the view.
That is one hell of a view.
That is wonderful. That is it. Look at all the stars. We're up, nearly up. Come on.
Wow, look how little it looks down there.
It was like a tiny thing. It was like a giant. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, we're at the top.
Oh.
Oh, here we are.
You've literally got to get off over that drop. Look.
We're going to drop and then go back to the bottom.
Well, hopefully not. We're off. Tilly, don't run, stay with Mama. Good girl. You might need to put your cardi on. You might need to put your jumper on, Lucas.
Messieurs, dames, s'il vous plaît, please. Allô, allô. I must give you a ticket like that. This is the boarding pass to go back down to Chamnoix. Miss, allô, allô. Wait, please. I must give you a ticket like that. This is boarding pass to go back down to Chamonix. I give the cabin number 51 for the moment with the departure at 6:40.
6:40,
Okay.
yep.
I give you a ticket to everybody. When you have your ticket, the best is to go immediately on the lift if you want to climb on the summital terraces. It's straight after the bridge and on the right side, because after they close. Okay? How many people are you?
Terrace. So the views up here are absolutely breathtaking, out of this world. That even my lovely little son, who didn't even want to come out today, loves it. Hey, Lucas. Wow, what are they doing? Lucas is straight in there being nosy, look at him.
Wonder what's that way.
These are the cable cars we used to get.
Yeah, you went.
So these ones went up that big one that we just done. It never used to have that big one, it used to be these.
We're going that
I want to go on it.
We're not going on it.
How do you go on? So the last one for these was actually 4:30, and I think, what did you say, it's only 5 o'clock? 4:45. Wow, there's people walking down there. If I zoomed in on them, I can't really see on this little screen. I'm hoping you lot can see them. We wait for the cable cars. There's some more people. They're nuts, absolutely nuts. Wow. Right, and we have some rock climbers right up there, which is amazing. Look at that. Wow. They've got some balls of steel, I tell you. Lucas, would you rock climb up there?
No.
And I think from here we're going to go right up there, which is the summit of the Aiguille du MIDI. And I think Tilly nearly fell over and she's crying. Nick, is she alright? Come on then, baby. You okay?
Did you just get off here?
No, we didn't. The last one was at 4:30, so we missed it.
And where does it go? To Italy?
I'm not sure. I think it does a panoramic view of Mont Blanc and comes back.
Oh.
Yeah. As far as I know, don't quote me on that.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too.
Yeah.
I think it's included in our ticket.
It is. So Nick, this is included in our ticket. Panoramic view of Mont Blanc. We could come back up here tomorrow. Just go on that one.
I think they're just hiking or something. I don't know what they're doing.
They're like rock climbing, yeah. Alright, let's go up to the summit.
Yeah, let's go right to the summit. It's gonna be cold up there.
It's cold here. It's 0 degrees up here. Wow, look at them. We just have to zoom in again. Look at that, guys. Look at them.
他是不是把咱的那个给偷了？
你不戴眼镜照出来那种轮廓感，你脑袋就是个球。你要把你戴。
The thing is, they have nothing to go on. They are relying on their ropes, that there's no footholds or anything. Look.
I might feel some ice. A bit of ice.
Oh yeah, go on then. Go feel the ice. Lucas, you're going to go feel the ice?
Oh, that's nice.
Who would have thought 30 degrees down in Chamonix? And we've got snow and ice up here. Go on then. Right, so yeah, we are just up here, up the top, taking in the breathtaking views. Most breathtaking views ever. And to be fair, they're not even that far away from home. We've come here on, I know I said we paid €310 for the pass, but to be honest, we have come here for 2 weeks on quite a tight budget. And by no means, we don't have all the money in the world. We live on very tight budgets, so if you wanted to, you can make this possible and come live your dream and look at this. So I highly, highly recommend. So just quickly, I don't want to bore you guys too much. This is where they're rock climbing from. This is the other side of it. That is some huge drop. And they're just on there like it means nothing. That is so brave, so brave.
The tent's down there.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that, Lucas. Well done. And down here, let me see if I can zoom in. It's roughly where the shadow is. So we're going to zoom in.
What's up there?
That's as far as we can zoom in, but that is 3 small tents down there. So we have some mad people camping up here. Would you camp here, Lucas?
Yeah, I would, if I was you.
You would camp down there, yeah?
Yeah.
In the snow, in the cold?
Yeah.
Okay, should we plan that?
Okay.
Alright, boy.
Look, we can camp there. We can put our big tent there.
What, you want to go get our tent and camp there tomorrow?
Yeah.
You'll be cold. Lucas, we're on top of the world!
No. On top of the world.
We're on top of the world! Here we go. We are up as high as we can get. Apart from that. But you need to get a lift up there and that closed. So we couldn't get it up there. So this is pretty much literally as high as we can get. Let's go and see if it tells us how many meters up we are. The altitude, so down on land it's 100%. Up here we're hitting 60% on altitude. We are sitting at 4,122 meters above sea level. Wow. With 60% on the oxygen. I forgot what they call it now. But something like that. I can't spit the word out. To be honest, I forgot it. We're not joking. Literally above the world. Look at it. It is absolutely magnificent. I would say for a lot of people, this is a once in a lifetime experience. I mean, I have been up here probably, this might be my 6th trip up here, but I was very fortunate as a child to have a very good family, and we used to come here quite a lot. We used to come skiing, but for me to bring my children personally, until they're a lot older, I probably wouldn't bring them again. So definitely in that respect, once in a lifetime opportunity. Here they are. Thank you. Right, where are we going?
To the watch one.
Okay, come on then. I'll put my arm through here, let go.
Hi guys.
Put it out there. Put it for mummy. Just hold it, keep it out the window. Put the camera up a little bit more.
Hi guys, today we're gonna go back to the campsite and watch our next video. Bye.
Do you want me to have it back in a minute?
Yeah.
Oh, don't hold it like that because of the gimbal. And then people at the front are self-entitled, what I would call arseholes, pushed through absolutely everyone. Didn't they though? No, I shouldn't shush. Oh yeah. Bye, hon. There's my two. Squeeze them in there so they can look out the window. Sorry guys, I don't usually mean to be rude about people on this channel, but it has to be said.
Careful.
I don't even know what I can see. Are they? Right, we're on our way back down. We got to the front just through people still trying to grab Nick's top and they're pushing my son here. But that's right. You right, Luke's?
Yeah.
Right, Lukey?
Yeah.
Look up! Yeah, you can see they pushed you out the way, didn't they?
Yeah, but I'm fast. I'm gonna go fast down.
You're going down now.
It's a bit more hazy now. Oh, Lucas, look! Lucas, open your eyes! Lucas, open your eyes! Lucas! Lucas, open your eyes! How's Tilly? You alright? She's watching. Oh, the next one!
He is going funny. Is he crying?
No. You alright, Luke? What's the matter?
He's crying.
This is a bit dirty, this window, really. Lucas, look! Look at the drop, look at that!
Hold on.
Nick, look! Nick, look! We're just dangling over that drop! Are you enjoying it?
I'm not enjoying it.
Lucas, you okay? Lucas, look at me! Pardon? Oh yeah, that one's going back up to pick more people up.
I don't like things going fast.
Not really going fast as such.
Yeah, it looks faster going up than us going down.
What about if
Well, hopefully we won't fall out. did happen a few years ago though, didn't it? In Italy, one of the cable cars fell off the line.
What? How?
Sometimes you just get complete freak accidents. And I think that's what happened.
Make it there.
Look, there's the car park again.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna go back.
Well, I can feel on your arm, I can feel from his.
My goal is.
Bad, isn't it? Do you know what you call that? Self-entitled little pricks. What? Huh?
Stop it. What are you doing, Tony? Yeah.
That's alright, I've got it in my arm this side. With probably a head full of nits.
Did that just come off?
Huh? Look how empty the car park is now.
Yeah, end of the day now, isn't it?
Yeah. Look, I can see my car
Well.
down there.
Yeah, I can see the
Wow.
Look at that
Yeah,
view.
look, it's all empty now, down in the town.
Wonder how warm it would feel down here.
Should be a bit warmer, but not really as much. Probably get cooler.
Right guys, we're nearly back at the station now. I'll give a little update once we're back. Right, we're back down now on our ground level. It's just a shame that a few people have to ruin it for everyone because they're self-entitled pricks pretty much. I don't know how to put it in any nicer way, do you?
No.
No.
But other than that, what an amazing day. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you like it, Till?
Yeah.
Did you like it, Daddy? Yeah, 10 out of 10 from us. But,
100.
100. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.